power of loving kindness that exists between Laura Elizabeth Tuck and Karthik Raj Dayalan, who love each other so very much that they are committing their lives together as one. And we are taking part in support of Laura and Raj as they begin their new journey together as husband and wife.
I am lucky. I'm a lucky man.
Just think of a destination. I'll be your transportation. We'll find there's a kind of place that could only be seen with the naked mind. I can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine. We can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine.
I, Karthik Raj, take you, Laura, for my lawful wife.
I, Laura, take you, Raj, for my lawful husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse, for richer or poor.
In sickness and in health, till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Will you find it and turn it? Take your time, don't take too long. There's a map that's washed ashore. Will you find it and burn it? Unleash your imagination. 2 stars, 1 constellation. Bright lights just to guide the way. Can you see what I see in you? I can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine. We can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine.
You two balance each other so well, and I could not be more thrilled that you guys found each other. And I sit here and look at you guys, and I just know what a successful marriage you will have, because all your strengths that you have individually, you bring together as a team, and you balance each other. And it's just so beautiful to have watched over the past couple years. And I can't wait to see, you know, future years and all the rest of your lives and what you two do together.
Take your time, don't take too long. There's a map that's washed ashore. Will you find it?
The threshold value, if you will, as to why I realized this is the one. I've never literally met somebody who cares so much about other people and other people's welfare. She's constantly thinking about how to help other people. It's just an amazing thing that in this cynical time of ours, people like this still exist. I'm the happiest guy on earth. I'm so happy and just so excited that you're my wife.
I can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine. We can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine. I can't wait 1 minute more. The sun does shine, the sun does shine.
Laura, I'm absolutely thrilled that you're coming into our family, and you know, the biggest test and what actually made me happier than anything is that Susan loves you.
I can't wait